guys, this is Armin with Castle Auto Sales. Today we have 2006 Ford F-250 Lariat 6.0. Let's take a look at exterior first. This truck is lifted, as you see. Really nice lift, straight pipe. Beautiful sound. Backup sensor. Let's take a look at inside. This one is quad cab, they would say, or extended cab. That's the indicator, also aftermarket. Oh, turn this off. Aftermarket Pioneer. This one flips. This is Lariat, as you see. Really clean. And that's the tuner. It is tuned, modified. Great flag of America. The most beautiful flag in the world. Look at this. Blue, red. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but this beauty is something else. Sound. Nice. Thanks for watching. This is Armin with Castle Auto Sales. Let's close this down for a sec. Gonna have better. Really nice wheels. We're located in Linwood, Washington. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Again, if you have any question, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Bye-bye.